Hey, Blueberry family, this is Dr. Anthony J. Davis coming to you on the other side of transplant. And guess what? I feel amazing. God is so good. As a matter of fact, I like to say that God is awesome. God is amazing. And God is all that. That's the way I feel. Listen, I'm coming to you to announce to all members of the Blueberry family that 7 days after my transplant, I had a telephone meeting with our anonymous donor, and later that afternoon, he notified us that he was sending Livingstone College another $5 million contribution to assist us with our capital improvements and to add solar on our campus. What an amazing gift for this great institution. Keep us in your prayers. And I have to ask you the question, who you with? LC?